talking about likes and dislikes.
Hi Sarah, what do you like to do in your free time?
Hi Tom, I really like reading books. How about you?
I like playing soccer. Do you like sports?
Not really. I just like running around too much. What else do you like?
I also like watching movies. How about you?
Oh, I love watching movies. That's something we both like.
Great! What kind of movies do you like?
I like romantic movies. What about you?
I like action movies. So, we have different tastes there.
That's true. Hey, do you like animals?
Yes, I do. I like dogs and cats. How about you?
I love dogs, but I dislike cats. They make me sneeze.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know you had allergies.
Yep, it's something I don't like about myself.
Don't worry, everyone has things they like and dislike. Do you like cooking?
I enjoy cooking. It's something I like doing on weekends.
That's cool. I dislike cooking, though. It's not my thing.
Well, it's good that we have different likes and dislikes. It makes us unique.
You're right, Sarah. What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. How about you?
I love pizza too. That's one thing we both really like.
It seems we have more likes in common than dislikes.
Absolutely. And that's what makes our friendship special.
I couldn't agree more, Tom.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.